hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Nausheen Mobeen. I make fashion, beauty, lifestyle vlogs and fun challenges with my friends. So if anything falls under your genre, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. So from the title you have got to know that today this video is gonna be a haul video. So I've got few products from Amazon, Flipkart, some IG stores and Banaras. So I'll share all that products with you all guys and give my honest opinion. So if you guys wanna know more, I'll then continue watching.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
So the first item I have is from Amazon Beauty and it is their makeup brushes. So 10 makeup brushes retails for rupees 300. So you get these in 3 colors, pink, white and black. So we have 5 face brush and 5 eye brushes. You get precise angular brush, some blending brush. These are quite sturdy and affordable. Okay, so I personally do not invest in makeup brushes. So the last brush I got was from Real Technique and it retailed for rupees 1000 or 1500, and then I have these for 300 rupees and they are quite sturdy. Bristles are also smooth. Okay, so I don't like their foundation brush one because it is very soft and I like my stipple brush to be a little dense and stiff because it gives the brushy strokes after I blend the foundation. So I have to go over with a beauty blender again. So that's that for the brush set. Okay, so the next product is also from Amazon and it is by the brand Swiss Beauty. It is their Real Makeup Base highlighting primer. So I've heard a lot of good things about this primer, this highlighting primer. So it says it brightens up the skin, modifies pores, moisturizing and it is nourishing. So brightening skin, yes. Modifies pores, no actually. Nourishes, yes, and it is moisturizing. It has this pump thing which make it more hygienic. It comes in a glass bottle which is not travel friendly, but I don't mind. So the consistency is a semi-liquid and I'll show you how it works. So I've taken a pump and I'll rub it. It also has a few glitter particles which is not chunky, so it blends in. It is quite moisturizing and it will work good for oily skin. You can use this primer before applying any makeup like the normal usual primer, or you can mix it with your foundation or your moisturizer. Do not wear it bare because if you wear it without any foundation or moisturizer, the glitter particles can be seen. Also it comes in 3 shades. So I have a 01 natural tint. It also comes in the variant pink and golden. So the primer retails for rupees 350 and is always on sale. You can get it from Nykaa, Amazon or Flipkart. So that's all for Swiss Beauty highlighting primer. Next up we have is this Maybelline's combo lipstick pack. So the shades I have here is 696 burgundy blush and 680 mesmerizing magenta, a beautiful plum wine color and a beautiful fuchsia pink color. So the price for these lipsticks are 400 rupees, but Amazon was running their Republic sale, so I've got this one for flat 200 rupees. Isn't that amazing? So let's move on to the swatches. So this one is a must buy and it gets a 5 on 5 from my side. So next up is a skincare product and I have been meaning to try this on from a very long time. So it is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So this one is a small tiny bottle. It retails for rupees 200 for 22 ml, which is not bad. So the bottle says you have to use the essence, like 4 drop of essence, rub it and then pat it on your face before applying your moisturizer or before applying your sunscreen. clean and it will go 10 layers deep into your skin, which is so good. So I've been trying this for 5 days and I've seen a little difference. Like, it gives a subtle glow, which is a good sign because it says it is smoothing and it gives a radiance. So yes, from my side this gets a 4 out of 5. Definitely going to purchase a bigger bottle of this. Okay, so the next item I'm gonna talk about are these hoodies. So I've got these from an Instagram store called Beautify Yourself. Totally disappointed. It is not worth buying. So I've got 3 hoodies, which is not in my size. I've ordered for a size large, but they have given extra small. I am disappointed with this brand because they do not reply to your mails nor your text on Instagram. They also provide with a WhatsApp number, but they barely reply to the text. B, it took 3 months to come. C, the quality is not great. Like, I expect something from the hoodie, but the quality is so bad. So a total no for Beautify Yourself. Also seen few YouTube videos regarding the issue, but they have same issue. The quality is not nice. They receive their parcel after 4 months and some of them haven't received their parcel yet. So that's all about Beautify Yourself. If you guys are purchasing from them, please pehle ek mangao and then try it. Then you can place order for more. Okay, so next up I have is this beautiful singing bowl. I've got this from Banaras. When we visited Sarnath, I've got it from there. So basically you have to keep this on your palm, not touching your fingers, and then you have to start doing this thing and hear this. I've heard that people use the singing bowl before going to sleep because it helps for a better sleep. It is also used for meditation and prayers. I'm absolutely in love with this singing bowl. You know what? You can also add water and then see water boiling. So this singing bowl was for rupees 400. You can also easily get it from Kolaba or from Crawford Market. So that was all for the singing bowl. So the last item for this collective haul is this beautiful 3-layer necklace. It is very Instagram pleasing. So I've seen a lot of Instagram influencer wearing this beautiful 3-layered necklace. It is very much in trend. So I've got this from Amazon for rupees 250 from the brand You Bella. You can also get other dainty jewelry from Amazon. It is quite sturdy and beautiful. A huge yay from my side. And yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you have did so, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Until then, XO, XO. Boop.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful